Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you the copycat of In-N-Out animal style burger made at home with lots of love. First, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare the copycat animal style burger, these are the ingredients. I have ketchup, I have sweet relish, I have mayonnaise, I have Dijon mustard, black pepper, salt, onion, lettuce, hot chili pepper, sliced pepperoni, tomatoes, lean ground beef, French fries, buns, and of course the American cheese. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing animal style burger made at home with lots of love. So let's get started. I want to start here with the white onion. I am going to dice it in very small little pieces so that when it starts cooking, it starts getting really dark and nice and brown. So just make sure that you really cut it in very small little pieces. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of butter, and I am going to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes in medium heat so that it starts slowly and gradually getting golden brown. And here I'm putting the fries into my air fryer because of course we need to watch our diet, so I am using my air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, then you could fry your fries. And of course I'm making this amazing and delicious sauce. I am adding the ketchup, the mayonnaise, the pickles, I have the Dijon mustard, and of course the black pepper. I am going to incorporate everything in here, and it starts getting combined and you start looking at that color. It's just perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing dressing. This dressing really comes out chunky, delicious, and perfect for our animal style burger and fries. Well, this is the texture. Let's go and see how the onion is doing, how the onion is changing color. Gradually, slowly. You don't want to put it in high heat. Medium heat will do the trick. Your kitchen starts releasing that aroma of the onion. You're going to add a little bit of a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of salt, and then just let it start getting nice and brown. Let's give it 2 more minutes. And after the 2 minutes, you will see all the onion getting caramelized and getting this amazing color. Of course that your kitchen is really going to get infused with the delicious aroma of the onion. Look at this. Okay, I am ready to transfer it to a plate and just let it rest. So when I have all the ingredients ready, I could add it to my fries and add it to my animal style burger. And here I have the lean ground beef. I like using the lean ground beef, and I start making these little balls, trying for each one to be almost the same size, okay? I'm not gonna tell you how much ground beef, because of course if you want to make more or if you want to make less, you decide. But I have 1 pound here, and I'm going to make about 6 burgers. And here, look at this. I am going to start smashing it just like that. It really doesn't take too long, okay? I'm using parchment paper, and I'm just going to round it a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect, but yes, it needs to be nice and thin. That's why I'm using it just like this with 2 parchment papers, and then I smash it down really good so that everything is almost nice and thin. Look at this. Okay, I am going to continue making the rest of the patties. Look at this. Okay, now on the same pan, I am going to add a little bit of butter. I am going to add my bread, my buns. And once they are nice and toasted, okay, now I am going to check my fries. Look at this. They are golden brown. I am going to go ahead and put them in a plate. Of course, I am going to add immediately, I am going to add the American cheese right on the top so it starts getting nice and soft and it starts covering all the fries. Right after I add the cheese, I am going to top it off with the amazing sauce. Look at this. This just looks amazing. Why not make these animal style fries at home and enjoy them with your family? And of course, I'm going to add some onion right on the top and be very generous with these ingredients, okay? I'm going to cover it and just put it aside and let it rest. And let's start cooking the meat for these burgers. This looks amazing. I really can't wait to dig into them. Okay, let's see. I am adding a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt, and I am ready to start making these patties. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to put it aside. This one already has the salt and the black pepper, and I'm just going to flip it over. And we're going to cook these about, maybe I would say they're cooking in medium heat. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some mustard right on the top. 2 minutes on each side. And then let's see how this is going to come out. I'm going to flip them over. They're golden brown. And this is the time. After a minute, I am going to lay the American cheese right on the top. The smell is just amazing. The minute is over, and now I am ready to just add the cheese right on the top. Right after I add the cheese, then let it cook for a minute, and then they are done. Look at this. Okay, on the same pan, I am going to lay 2 more patties, adding the salt, adding the black pepper, and of course, my family can't wait to start enjoying these animal style burgers. Don't forget the mustard right on the top. And now, this is when the magic happens. Adding the amazing sauce, adding your pickles. My mouth is already watering. I can't wait to enjoy this animal style burger. I'm going to add my lettuce, add my tomato. You decide how much you want to add, okay? Because this is going to be a very large and delicious animal style burger. Look at this. Of course, be very generous with your onion, with your grilled onion. I can't wait to enjoy it, my friends. My family is already looking at me like saying, Mom, at what time are we going to enjoy this amazing burger? Okay, I am ready to flip. And of course, 2 minutes and lay the cheese right on the top. I hope, my friends, you give it a chance and you make this amazing recipe. I am sure your family is really going to enjoy these animal style burgers and fries made at home with lots of love. I always say when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect and amazing. And of course, I am going to start by adding the amazing sauce right on the buns. The buns need to be nice and toasted so that they have that crunch when you take the first bite. Remember, the pickles are the key. And now I'm gonna lay on the top the lettuce, the tomatoes. Oh my gosh, this just looks amazing. I always say be generous, especially with the one that you are going to enjoy. Look at this. To this one, I'm gonna add my pepperoni right on the top because this is the one for me. This looks amazing. Let me show you from very close up so that you see how delicious and how perfect this animal style burger made at home with lots of love. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing Copycat In-N-Out animal style hamburger. Of course, we couldn't miss the fries with all the ingredients right on the top. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. And of course, I'm going to try the fries first. Excuse me. The dressing, just perfection, made at home. And now, the best part, the hamburger. Let's see how this came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. This came out amazing and delicious. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. And I can't stop enjoying it. I hope, my friends, you make it at home and you make this amazing In-N-Out burger animal style. Cooking with Gloria will always surprise you. If you liked and love my recipe, I invite to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I will stay enjoying this amazing animal style hamburger. See you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.